I filmed a 30-second clip on my phone, posted it onto TikTok, and within just a few days, it had made over 30k in revenues. And for the brand, after all their costs, they made about 10k in profits. Not bad for a 30-second video that wasn't even posted by the brand owner, right? Now you might be thinking, sure, Jansen, you probably got lucky, but guess what? I've done that exact same thing over and over again for the different brands that I work with. This video here, that made the brand over 50k. In this video here, it made them over 20k. Because I understand how to make videos go viral on TikTok, I've made well over 6 figures for the brands that I work with. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you the exact system that I follow in order to come up with those ideas and in order to actually make content that slaps. So if you're a brand owner or you're looking to be one, make sure you pay attention, because content creation is without a doubt one of the most important skills that you can master in this day and age. Now, if you haven't come across me before, my name's Jansen and I own Honest Brands, which is a community of new and existing brand owners. We help people go from 0 to 10, from 10 to 20, 20 to 100, and all the way up to 7 figures. Using this exact system that I'm about to walk you through, one of our members went from 0 to 50k on TikTok in a single month. And you know what the beautiful thing was? That was from content being created not by them, but by affiliates on TikTok. It's crazy. All right, so let's now break down the system that I follow when I'm wanting to make content that goes viral and converts on TikTok. Now, the key thing that you need to understand before you even think about writing a script for yourself or your creators is that TikTok is primarily, it's not a shopping platform, right? If people want to shop, they go to Amazon. When people want to relax, be educated, informed, entertained, whatever it is, they go to TikTok. AKA, TikTok users are not generally on the app to be sold to. So the minute they see a video, whether it's by you or not, that's obviously an advert, they're going to scroll right on past. So see this video here. This has made tens of thousands for the brand owner, and you can see it's super subtle. It's like filmed in what we call a skit format. So it's a bit like acting, but to the TikTok user, it comes across as genuine. It's not forceful. The product is being introduced very subtly. And guess what? That video absolutely crushed. It went viral and it made both the brand owner and the content creator a lot of money indeed. All right, so let's break down one of my viral videos and explain why it worked and why I did what I did. So this video here was promoting a very small Bluetooth speaker.
Oh my God, are you deaf?
Sorry, I was just watching the footy. Sorry.
How'd you get your phone so loud?
Oh, it's not actually my phone, it's one of these little speakers that I got off TikTok Shop. It's quite cool, you can use it as a stand as well. So
How'd you get it to stick on there?
Oh, it's not stuck, it's like, it's got an inbuilt magnet.
Where did you get it?
I got it off TikTok Shop, it's like 8 or 9 quid, really good value.
Sweet, I'll get one.
Now, the reason that I think that this Bluetooth speaker absolutely popped, regardless of the fact that my content was good and helped it go viral even more, is because it was a little bit unique. I've spoken about this on the channel previously, but when you are coming up with your product offer on TikTok, you need to make sure that it actually satisfies one of my 3 key criteria. So that is that it solves a problem that the customer, that the shopper, the viewer, whatever, didn't know that they already had, that it's unique in some way. It's not something that they've seen down the high street or that they've seen on Amazon. So it makes them think, damn, I need to get this now. Or thirdly, that it's at such an attractive price that, again, it really encourages the person to just be like, I need to buy this thing now. You are preying on impulse on TikTok. So you need to make sure that your product offer, the listing, title, price, and all that has that in mind. And with this product, it was a magnetic speaker, something very, very small that can basically just go onto the back of any phone. It's portable. It also acts as like a stand. It's just not really something that I'd seen anywhere else, and clearly the vast majority of TikTok users. And to double up on that, the price was insane. I think at the time of filming, it was about 11 or 12 pounds or dollars, which when you compare that to other Bluetooth speakers on the market, it's an absolute bargain. So 2 of those criteria had already been satisfied, which meant that when I found that product to promote, I was just like, I can definitely help this go viral even more so. All right, so the video itself starts off with me walking into the kitchen. That is a hook in itself. A hook, if you're not familiar with it, is something that you say, show, or do in that first 3 to 5 second period of a video that makes the TikTok user stop in their tracks and want to watch what is happening. And I actually used a number of different hooks in this video. The first was walking through its motion. It's being filmed from a like POV point of view like angle, which is, you know, sometimes a little bit unique and also makes the content come across as organic. So we've got that, the motion straight away. It's not just still, like, which might give the impression that it's set up, but it's somebody walking forward. The second hook that I had was the text hook. Something on the screen that I'd written, which was something like, why men don't hear us. That was written because I wanted it to trigger people or to encourage men to be like, yes, I ignore my wife, blah, 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 just helping with engagement. And then thirdly, I had an audio hook. It's very, very loud. I'll play it here so you can actually hear the audio.
Oh my God, are you deaf?
I had the sound of football chants playing, you know, really, really loud through that speaker. So all three of those combined are clearly going to make people just stop in their tracks and want to find out what the heck this video is about. So now that I've compelled people to continue watching, that is when the subtle art of selling comes through. So I pretend to have a conversation with my partner where they're saying, you know, turn the TV down. And I'm like, oh, this isn't the TV. It's my speaker. Look how cool it is. And then I just subtly show off the features as though I'm talking to a friend. And this is what really works on TikTok. You don't want to go hard sell like, yes, guess what? This is on sale and it's so loud, blah, blah, blah. I was just literally talking to her as though I wasn't on camera and I was just showing off the features, and I'm walking about showing the problems that it solves so it can help become a stand for my phone. I can put it out of reach of children. It's really loud and so on. The entire video just comes across as very organic and natural and not really like an ad until the very end of the video. Now, you really need to understand this. At the end of the video, you always need a CTA, a call to action. And this is basically where you reveal that, yeah, this is an ad and you guys need to buy. You need to instruct them to buy, because if you don't, you will lose out on a ton of sales. And that's because a lot of people, they don't actually understand that TikTok Shop is a thing. They haven't bought on it yet. It's still relatively new. So at the end of this video, I was like, oh yeah, if you want one, press that yellow basket icon in the corner, which just removes the whole like authentic angle to it. And obviously it's me selling, but guess what? I don't care, because I've got enough people watching at this point now that they, if they are still watching, probably quite like the product, they're interested, and they're probably actually wondering, where do I get it from? So I've made it super easy for them. So you're probably understanding now what I mean when I say that authenticity sells. So these are the key things that you need to remember with any video that you upload for your brand or that you get your creators to upload for you. The product needs to be positioned in the way that I've said. So it basically needs to become an impulse buy, where people are just like, I need to buy it right now. And then you need to make sure your content stops people in its tracks, comes across as authentic, and then just persuades the hell out of the person that they need to buy this thing right now because it solves all of their problems. It's really cool and they can't get it anywhere else. So the success that I had in that video there, that wasn't luck. It's because I understand what is needed to make a product go viral on TikTok. And you can see these are results that I've had from many, many videos on my account. And these are also results from people that I've coached and helped to get similar results to myself. And trust me, they all follow that same style that I just went through. It still blows my mind that that one video that I made that's 30 seconds in length made over 25k for the brand owner. It's crazy. And I'm just one single content creator. So if you are a brand owner or you're a wannabe brand owner, trust me, TikTok Shop is really not a platform to be missed. Now, whether you are new, existing, super experienced, whatever, if you want to be surrounded by a community of like-minded individuals, you want to be taught the latest tips, tricks, strategies, and anything to do with e-commerce, then check out Honest Brands. I will link it in the description box below. You can watch some videos of ours, you can learn more about our community, and you can book a call with us if you like what you see, and we can welcome you in to the Honest Brands community and show you step by step how to scale things to the freaking moon. Trust me, this is the community to join if you're serious about building and scaling your own brand. And it's a very exciting time to join right now because we are going big and hard on AI. So like I say, you can scan this QR code here. You can click the link in the description below. Otherwise, that's it for this time. See you next.